Playful learning is all about engaging kids in various activities while having fun. Now, we all want our kids to stay active, but do we take efforts to do that? Do we create such environment at home so that our kids have fun while developing various skills? I know many parents getting confused most of the time as to what to do with their kids, how to engage with them, and how to make them at least sit and listen to them. Well, there are tons of activities to develop kids skillfully. But today's video, I am focusing on gross motor activities. Hello everyone, this is Tanushree and welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about easy learning kids activities, how you can teach different concepts to your child in a very easier manner. So do like and subscribe to my channel guys and click on the bell icon to get all the latest notification related to my channel. Do not forget to share with the moms who would require such videos. So why gross motor skills? Gross motor skills are the abilities that let us perform various tasks by involving our large muscles like arms, legs, torso, etc. They involve whole body movements. Whenever someone engages in physical activities, we use our gross motor skills. Now, most people use these skills easily and automatically. But for some kids, we need to engage into various activities to develop their skills. In this video, I'm going to share some easy setups through which you can let your child have fun and develop these skills as well. So stay tuned to know all the various setups that you can do with your child. So I'm going to take help of my 4-year-old child Sarvam, who will help you demonstrate these activities. I'm going to drop link of those items, of all the items that I'm going to use in my description box. So do check it out. Stay tuned till end guys. So let us start our video. So in this first setup, we have taken balls. These are 100 balls that we have, which are ordered from Amazon. And this is a big spoon that I am giving to Sarvam. Okay, he's gonna hold that spoon and put balls in this basket. So you can set a big basket like this for child. Okay, so what is happening over here? Child is moving from one place to particular target to put that ball. So their whole body is moving. Their large muscles are working over here. Arms, legs, torso. Next, because child is using spoon, so fine motor is getting developed. Child is trying to balance the ball on the spoon, because of which their finger strength gets improved over here. So in the next activity, setup is almost the same. We are using balls over here. We are using basket, same basket. Child has to throw balls and put it at the target, which is basket. So over here, this is a good exercise for the arms, where they are learning how to throw. And to throw at a particular target, it's very important the child uses their focus, attention and concentration over here, which gets developed during this task. I do this activity a lot in my activity class because this seems like fun for children. Throwing balls is actually fun for children and they enjoy a lot. In this next activity, I'm using alphabet foam puzzles that we have. So I've kept all the alphabets on the ground, on the floor, and asked Sarvam to take one alphabet, move around here and there and find where it is and put it. Okay, so what is happening over here is child is moving back and forth, bending, putting the alphabet. This is a good exercise for them. The kids who are hyperactive, those who are very much energetic, this is a good way to utilize their energy while doing a conceptual play of putting puzzles of alphabets or numbers or whatever that you have at home. It's not necessary that what I am using over here you have to use the same thing. You can use anything that you have. Just put it all over the floor and let them move around and do like this. Okay, so my next activity is same puzzle I have used, same foam sheets I have used. You can use anything that you have. So what I have told Sarvam is, I'll just say a particular color. You have to jump on that color. So over here I'm saying, for example, now yellow. So he's jumping on yellow. So I told him to jump on red. So he's jumping on red. Likewise, he's jumping as per the color. So what is happening over here, the children who are in the phase of learning colors, you can do this activity with them. Okay, and jumping is also happening over here. So whole entire body exercises happening. So yes, this is again a good gross motor activity that you can try and very easy to set up. So in the next setup, I'm gonna use some props. This is hula hoop, which I had segregated the pieces. Now I'm putting it back to make a smaller circle as compared to the bigger hula hoop that you get. So likewise, I've joined them and made as many I could make with the ones that I had. And next, I'm taking straw assembly kit to make small circles out of it. This is again something I have shown in my fine motor activity video, that you can use this. You can ask child to prepare various shapes. So over here I'm using this to make circles. Okay, so that I can ask child to, jump on that. It's not necessary that you need to have some expensive things. Just by simple, things, you can prepare something interesting for your child, and how you can make a good playground for them at home. So likewise, I've made so many circles out of it, and now I'm gonna show how I'm gonna use it on floor. So I've placed these big circle and small circles like this, okay, and ask Sarvam to jump on that. So like both the legs together in bigger circle and both the legs separated on the smaller circle. This is a kind of a jumping that we are doing over here. So for the next activity, I have kept the setup same, just added few bowls in between from the bowling set so that it forms as a huddle, and much higher jump you can offer to your child over here. This could be done with 4-year-old. So in this next one, we are using the same rings from the previous activity, and I've kept a bottle in between so that Sarvam can target those rings inside the bottle. If you remember, we used to play such games during our childhood, and I don't think much has changed. We can try same activities with our kids also. So this is a good exercise for our movement, and to make your child strong in focus and attention, because over here child has to aim at a particular target and put that object. So concentration develops over here. Their self-confidence also develops by trying to complete an activity. So you can try this idea. I'm sure your child will love it. Sarvam completely enjoyed it, and he learned something new out of this activity. This was new to him. Yeah, so try such fun ideas also with your child. Next activity, Sarvam is doing backward walking. Now, this is a very good exercise for developing balance and coordination among children. And next, what you can do is do a various animal walks. It involves whole body movement. First, Sarvam did bear walk. Now, second, he is doing froggy jump. Okay, so yeah, for highly energetic kids, you can try these out. Then next, he's doing kangaroo hopping exercise. Again, this requires lot of energy from kids. It improves whole body movement. Next, I'm using tape. Okay, so this is entire setup that I'm doing for jumping activity. I'm using tape. So through these like different activities, I'm trying to show you that how you can present your child in various ways. Same jumping activity, maybe in different, like through different setups, through different props, through different things. Okay, so I have kept colorful baskets over here, and we are using colorful balls over here. So I've given 2 balls to Sarvam, and he's jumping for initial stage of children where they are 2 years, or 2.5, where they are starting to jump. You can just add these tapes and let them walk over the tapes rather than jumping if your child is not still up to the mark in jumping. So what is happening, there is a color sorting that is happening over here, and plus jumping or walking, whatever you are going to do. So yes, this is a fun exercise. Now in this next setup, I have used various colored tapes over here. These are the electric tapes. I'll drop link of those tapes from Amazon. Okay, so you can create different kind of jumping environment and create your own indoor playground over here, so that home, even your house becomes very interesting place for your child. So you see, he's doing 2-leg jumping, 1-leg jumping, then bear walk, then hopping on different crosses over here, then again 2-leg jumping he's doing on yellow. Okay, and then there is a directional jumping. Left, you have to jump, you move your body towards left, move your body towards right. likewise, and it is not easy, guys, but Sarvam is doing since a long time, so he knows how to do, but you can train your child accordingly. Next he did crawling, and now he's gonna jump on where there is no cross, two leg, one leg, like that. And then again he's gonna hop from one yellow to another yellow, which I've created. Okay, so likewise you can present a interesting environment for your child to enjoy at home, and gain their trust towards sitting and doing interesting things. So as you've seen in this video, various ways how you can engage with your child while child is having fun and learning various different concepts and developing their motor skills as well. So do try these out, guys. I posted various gross motor activities on my Instagram page, so do check it out. I'm gonna give my Instagram page link in my description box. Also comment and let me know which topic would you like me to cover next. I'll definitely focus on that topic. Until we meet next time, happy parenting, guys.